Okay, today I want to share how to take a screenshot in your PC or laptop. So, I think this is the simplest and the best way to take a screenshot from your PC. So that's why this video will very interesting for us. Okay, let's begin. First, we go to our screenshot page. Like I want to take a screenshot from this page. Now write on keyboard snipping tools. Look at the snipping tools app, click and click on your screenshot page. Okay, so I want to take a screenshot in this portion, this area. Okay, go to snipping tools and click on new, then select your area. So I want to select this area. Okay, and click this. So look at this is our screenshot, right? So if you want, you can edit this picture or color this like red pen. You can mark here and blue pen, black pen, custom pen, customize. You can change your color. You can change the thickness of pen, round, chisel type, and this is highlighter. You can highlight any text, and this is eraser. You can erase anything. Okay, now click on save snip and select on desktop sc file name, save. Okay, this is your photo. Click. Okay, look at this is your screenshot. Okay, thank you very much.